Hi guys, welcome back to another episode with Cooking with this guy. Today we are making a very simple bread recipe, right? Now, credit to DB Cooks on Instagram for the recipe. Go follow him, he's very funny, he's a comedian as well, but he's a very funny guy. Put his link in the description box below. But all it is self-raising flour, a bit of salt, bit of sugar, and a pint of beer, and we're laughing. It sounds good to me. Let's give it a go. So we've got our flour, we have our salt, and we've got our sugar. Next step is just to pour in a pint of beer. Gonna go for Heineken today. And then just pour it in. Oh god. Do you ever start something thinking that's gonna be fantastic, and then turns out to be not so good? We'll keep going. That's the mantra of this channel. We have our beer in the flour. This is very strange. Get yourself a loaf tin, okay? I'm gonna spray it with some spray here just to hopefully make sure that it doesn't stick, and then we just pour it in. Now, I say, lads, it's very wet. Don't be worried about it. The bread dough is in the pan. Now, in terms of the temperature, I don't know for sure. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in at 190, okay, 190 C for half an hour, and we'll see how we get on. Let's put it in the oven. Yeah. So now that I have you just for a second, while the beer bread is in the oven, I think it's fantastic. If that works, it's a game changer. But look, I just wanted to say thank you. I started this channel back in April, mid to late April, 21st of April, and I already have 20 subscribers, which is wow. You know, I can't get over it. So thank you very much. Now let's hope and pray that we don't have another episode of those scones. Let's hope this beer bread turns out fantastically well. Right, guys. Now I think we're in for something special here, right? So it took about 35 minutes at 190, okay? And I took it out. I'm just letting it rest there now and cool down a little bit. But so again, 35 minutes, 190. But like, wow, like that looks phenomenal. I'm just gonna cool down for a bit, and then we'll cut into it. Should be good. Should be good. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh my god, right. Yeah, would you like some?
Now do I get some? Can I see me through there?
Huh?
Can I see me through that
Is
camera?
it
Hello.
me?
I see me, Daddy.
Huh?
I see me.
There you are. Right, so there's the bread, guys. You want to try it?
Yeah.
See what you think. This one now, this one. No, that's Daddy's.
Like this one, right?
You try it. Alright guys, so look, there you have it. This recipe is just flour, bit of salt, bit of sugar, and a can of beer. That's amazing. Oh my god. I think that's better than any bit of bread I've ever made. Look, another shout out to DB Cooks. He's on Instagram, as I said. I'll leave a link in the description below. I saw this on his Instagram this morning. So full credit where credit is due. Fair play. But wow. Mega. Wow. Okay, so that's great. Sorry, that's great. Okay, if you wouldn't mind giving me a like, if you liked the video, I would love a subscriber or two. There's 20 of us now. We're growing. It's fantastic. That is amazing. I'm going to go and finish this. But look, we'll see you again next time. Thanks, guys. Cheers now. Bye-bye. So good.